In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 genius ChatGPT life hacks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn AI into a practical helper for planning, learning, creating, working smarter, and getting better results every time you prompt. First, turn ChatGPT into a personal assistant. Ask it to manage schedules, reminders, and to-do lists by drafting plans you can copy into your calendar or task app. For example, share your deadlines and ask for a day-by-day plan with time blocks, buffer time, and clear priorities. You can have it build a weekly routine, group similar tasks to reduce context switching, and create a morning or evening checklist. If your list is messy, paste it in and ask for a clean, prioritized roadmap. You'll save time on routine planning and keep your focus where it matters most. Next, learn faster with AI. When a topic feels confusing, ask for a simple explanation with plain language and real-world examples. Follow up with, "Give me a quick summary and 3 analogies," or "Create a 10-question quiz with answers." If you're studying a language, request short dialogues, pronunciation tips, or spaced repetition flashcards. When you're overwhelmed by long articles, ask for concise notes, key takeaways, and a short glossary so you retain the essentials without the noise. Third, create content in minutes. Share your audience, tone, and goal, then ask ChatGPT to generate a blog post, script, caption, or email draft. Use it to brainstorm business ideas, taglines, or marketing angles, and request multiple options to compare. Paste in your existing content and ask for a clearer rewrite, a professional polish, or a version that's shorter or more engaging. If you're working on branding or social media, prompt it for creative hooks and a posting calendar you can refine and deploy. Fourth, improve work and business productivity. Automate repetitive writing and research tasks by asking for summaries, comparisons, and structured outlines. Have it draft reports, proposals, and presentation talking points from your notes. For sales and support, generate persuasive copy, objection handling ideas, and ready-to-send customer responses that match your voice. You can also request decision support frameworks, pros and cons lists, and scenario plans to think through complex choices faster. Finally, use better prompts for better results. Be specific about your context, audience, constraints, and ideal outcome. Ask for a clear format, like a numbered plan, a step-by-step guide, or a concise summary. Iterate with follow-up prompts, correcting tone or depth until it fits. The more detailed your instructions, the higher the quality of the output. Try these 5 life hacks today and watch your productivity, learning, and creativity accelerate with every prompt.